Have you ever tried to get a job, but every listing says experience required? And you're sitting there thinking, how am I supposed to get experience if no one hires me? Yeah, it's frustrating. But here's the truth. You don't need experience to get a job. You just need the right strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to land your first job, even if your resume is basically empty. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we break down real-world skills to help you level up your life. Today, we're solving one of the biggest problems beginners face, getting hired with zero experience. Let's get into it. First things first, this is where most people mess up. You think you have no experience, but that's not true. Experience isn't just jobs. It's anything where you've been responsible or learned something. For example, school projects, helping family or friends, babysitting, sports or clubs, organizing events. All of that counts. Employers aren't just hiring experience, they're hiring skills. Things like communication, responsibility, teamwork, problem solving. So instead of saying, I have nothing, start asking, what have I done that shows I'm reliable? Now, let's say you really feel like you have nothing. No problem. You can build experience fast. Here's how. Volunteer for a few days. Help someone with a small job. Do simple gigs, yard work, tutoring, or online tasks. Take a short online course and finish a project. Even 1 week of effort can give you something real to talk about. And here's the secret. Employers care more about initiative than experience. If you took action on your own, that already makes you stand out. Not all jobs are beginner-friendly. So don't waste time applying to roles that want years of experience. Instead, search for entry-level, no experience required, or trainee. Good starter jobs include retail, restaurants and cafes, customer service, warehouses, internships. These jobs are designed for people just starting out. You don't need a fancy resume, you need a clear one. Focus on skills, responsibilities, and small achievements. For example, instead of saying, I helped at home, say, managed schedules and responsibilities for a busy household. See the difference? Keep it one page, clean, and easy to read. Remember, a simple, honest resume beats an empty or overcomplicated one. Here's something most people won't do, and that's why it works. Don't just apply online, follow up. If possible, go in person. Ask to speak to a manager. Introduce yourself. Say something like, Hi, I recently applied and just wanted to introduce myself. I'm really interested in working here. That one move can instantly put you ahead of dozens of applicants. Why? Because it shows confidence and effort. When you get an interview, don't stress about your lack of experience. They're not expecting you to be an expert. They're looking for a good attitude, willingness to learn, and reliability. If you can show you'll show up on time, you'll work hard, and you'll listen and improve, you're already a strong candidate. This is underrated but powerful. Tell people you're looking for a job. Friends, family, teachers, neighbors. A simple message like, Hey, I'm looking for an entry-level job. Let me know if you hear of anything. A lot of first jobs come from connections, not applications. Here's the reality. You might not get the first job you apply for, or the second. That's normal. Apply to 10, 20, even 30 jobs. The more you apply, the higher your chances. Rejection isn't failure, it's part of the process. Your first job isn't your dream job, and that's okay. It's a stepping stone. After just a few months, you'll have real experience, references, confidence, and suddenly way more opportunities open up. So if you're feeling stuck right now, remember this. You don't need experience to get started. You just need to take action, be consistent, and show you're willing to learn. That's what employers are really looking for. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world advice. And if you want help building your resume or finding jobs, drop a comment below. I got you. See you in the next video.